I woke up late and I'm supposed to make breakfast. So I didn't get to like get ready for the video. So just, I hope you like my bed head. Today we are making Dutch babies. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's actually like baby Dutch babies because I'm making mini ones since I don't have a cast iron pan. But I will link the recipe down below. Sounds really fun. I saw Chloe Ting make it and now it's just been on my mind ever since. Okay, so you're usually supposed to do it with a cast iron pan, but I don't have one. Or like, we have one, I'm just too lazy to get it from the basement. Place a 12 cup or 2 cup 2 6-cup muffin tins in the oven and preheat to 425. Okay, so I put it in. At 425. So usually cast iron pans, if you didn't know this, they retain a lot of heat and a lot of pretty sure it's moisture when you put it on the stove. Like it stays there. Whereas if you have like a regular pan, like a nonstick or like a pot or something, it doesn't retain as much heat. So because you usually do it in a cast iron pan and it retains a lot of heat, you need to do that. That's the way that I think it works. Doesn't it look so much better when I'm cracking the eggs in front of the camera instead of with one hand while holding the camera? Yeah, I thought so too. Great. Why is there already a measuring cup in here? Okay, great. 1. Finish it.
বল কেমন আছিস? এই তো ঘুম থেকে উঠলাম। তোর কলকাতায় কেমন লাগছে? কয় বছর পর এলি? मतलब एनियो হাসছে তোর হিন্দিতে বাংলা শুনে ও এনি বলে मतलब এই দাদার বিয়ে হলে নিয়ে যাব তোকে।
ওকে।
হ্যাঁ আমি বলছি এই দাদার বিয়ে হলে তোকে নিয়ে যাব।
দাদা আমি এগুলিতে অনেক যেতে চাই, আমাকে নিয়ে যাবে।
ও দেখ কি বলছে শোন।
আমি ফ্লোরেন্সে যেতে চাই।
ও ফ্লোরেন্সে যেতে চায়। হ্যাঁ না ভালোই বানিয়েছি এটা ঠিক। দেখ আমার মেয়ে কি বানাচ্ছে দেখ। এটা স্ট্রবেরি, হ্যাঁ স্ট্রবেরিকে সিদ্ধ করছে। তারপরে পরে রেখে দিও। তারপরে এই দেখ এটার মধ্যে
Ouch, that's hot.
এনি বানাচ্ছে। ওকে ওকে বাই। এটা কি আরো সিদ্ধ হবে?
They look so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, that hurt. Here we go.
তুলে দাও, আমি দেবো।
And then the top one, I'm basically just trimming the brown top off.
Oh.
We're just gonna use one of these, but I like to just make sure we have two nice circles.
So trim the top of the.
Yeah, the very top of the cake, sort of on that top slice, can just come off.
Can I eat this? Are we gonna use this later?
You need these two, Jess. So put those on the rim baking sheet that has the parchment paper. One of mine is nicer than.
I'm not sure if I like it.
হয়? কতটা করছে?